Hi, in this session, we will discuss redirection operators. Let's open the PowerShell console. Let's go for help. Okay. Get -help about underscore redirect. We'll type till redirect and see whether we'll get the output or not. Then we'll use the show window parameter. Okay, these are the details. So you can see here, right? You can use the following methods to redirect output. Okay, so we can use out hyphen file. This is the commandlet, and we have t hyphen object. Okay, this is again commandlet. We'll discuss that. If we come little down, we can see the operators. It's a greater than symbol and double greater than symbol. You can see here, right? Okay, let's minimize this for now. We already discussed out hyphen file. This is one of the redirection commandlet. Redirection commandlet, as we discussed in the previous session, just will take one commandlet, get hyphen process pipe and out file. Here we'll give the path, right? Path and the file name. What it does, it will create one text file in the given path. Okay. Before that, we'll see one more commandlet. We have to create a file and the folder. So we'll just go to cd dump. Okay. So we'll see what are the files and folders available here in the dump. Get hyphen child item. We'll call files and folders here, right? We'll call item. Okay. That's what child item. We call items. Okay. So now we'll try to create one new file. New hyphen item. Path, we can specify the path. If we want to create in C dump itself, no need to give any path, default it will take. Okay. So if you want to provide any different path, you can provide the path here, some D drive or subpath, whatever you want. So here we'll create in the dump itself. We'll create just abc dot. Okay. So abc dot text is created. We'll take get hyphen child item again to list the items. So abc created, right? So we have a new item. We will just give def. Then we have the parameter. We can see the parameters. What are the parameters available? So we can see here item type. We'll see what is item type. Item type. If we give the file, it will create a file, text file. So if we are not giving the file also, it will create a text file as default. Okay. So now just a file created. Even if we are not giving this file, it will create a file only as default. So we want to create a folder in the same name. So we have to provide directory. we call directory for folders. Okay. Okay, it is already accessed, right? So we'll create some different name. We'll give some test file. Okay. Then get hyphen child item test file. See, here you can see, right, starting D is a directory, remaining all files. Let's clear the screen. Okay. Now we have get hyphen location. Just it will show us the current location. We'll see the alias of get hyphen location. Get hyphen alias definition get hyphen location. See, we have PWD, right? If you are good in Linux, you know, right? PWD we use for current directory. Here also same we can use PWD. That is alias for get hyphen location. If we just go back to C, if we do set hyphen location path C temp, just like we are going changing directory, right? Same we can do set hyphen location to make this path. See, now it is C temp, right? Yeah. Now we'll see the out file. So we'll take get hyphen process out file, say redirection commandlet hyphen file path. Okay, this is an optional parameter. If you want to skip file path, you can skip. Get hyphen process. Okay, process dot text. Okay, there is a text file created called process. We'll see that get hyphen child item. So you can see here. Okay, if you want to see after file path, if you want to give the complete path, it is in D drive or E drive, you can provide here full path. Okay, we'll see one example. We'll go to C drive. We'll give complete path here. C temp and process.txt. We'll give process one. See, it is created. We'll again go to temp. So we'll see that whatever we created the text file, right? We'll use invoke item. What is that file name? We'll give path. Then we'll search for the file name. Process, right? Process.txt. See, it is opened here. Again, we have one more option. Get hyphen content. See, it is displayed in the screen itself. If we give the get hyphen content. So let's see one more example. Get hyphen service. out file. Okay. Since we are creating the file in the temp itself, we just give the file name service.txt. Okay. Service.text created will make invoke item. So it is not here. See, you can see the dot, right? It is not showing us full name. Okay. Full display name and the full service name here. Dot. Okay. For that, we already discussed. We can use wrap. So we'll use one more pipe. Then format table, or you can use FT format table wrap. Okay. It is created another file. Normally default it will overwrite. Okay. So we'll open that. See, now it is showing the full name, right? Full name and full display name. There is no dot. See. So we can create out file. If we are creating the out file with same name, it will overwrite. Okay. We have already seen this, right? First we have given service.text, and again we have created service.text. It is overwritten. So we can use append. There is a parameter called append. It will be appended in the same page. It won't overwrite. It will be appended in the same page. We'll see one example. Get -hotfix. Out file will give file name hotfix.txt. Okay. Now we'll take get content hotfix.txt. Now we'll take one more command. Let get hyphen local user, then out file hotfix.txt hyphen append. Now we'll see what's the content in the hotfix.txt. Okay, for some reason it is not created. We'll see that. Okay, here the error was we have given only tx, right? See tx. We have not given text txt. So we'll see one more example. Get -hotfix out file. So we'll give okay, output dot text. Get content output. Now we'll use get local user pipe out file will give same name output dot text, then we'll give append, then get content We'll give just out, then I will complete with a tab. Press the tab key. Okay. Here it is appended, right? First it is a hotfix. Then we have local user details. Now we'll see t-object. This is t-object. So it does the same. Okay, whatever output file is doing, right? It does the same thing. Okay. So only one different. It will create the file and same time it will display the status in the screen. When we use the local this command, let get hyphen local user out file. Okay, we just create one output one.txt. So it is created the file, right? In this screen it is not showing anything, right? So we'll use t-object. Get hyphen hotfix t-object file path. If we are creating the file in same ctemp, no need to give the complete file path. We can just give here the name. We'll just give hotfix. See, it is created the file called hotfix.txt and same time it is displayed here. You got the difference, right? Okay. So we can use append also here. Okay. Okay. If there is no file to overwrite, if we are just giving new file name, that is test6 new file name. Okay. And append. There is no file called text6. So what this append does, it will create a new file. If there is no file to overwritten, it will create a new file called text test6. Okay, hope you got it. So we have one more command lab, that is add content. If we want to add content in existing file, we can use this. We'll use get hyphen content. We'll first see get hyphen child item. Okay, now we'll take get hyphen content process, this process.txt, right? So what we'll do, add content process. You can just type process text. Okay, since this process text is in the same path, we can just give the name, or you can give the path as well. It is in different path. Process.text. Then we have one parameter called value. Just type in the single quote end of the document. Anything you can type. Okay. Now we'll make get hyphen content process.text. So you can see here, right? End of the document. And we have set hyphen content as well. Okay. Let me clear the screen. Now we'll discuss the operators. Redirection, we have discussed the command let as of now. Okay. Now we'll discuss operators. The redirection operators are one is this greater than. Okay. To create a file, then we have this double greater than to create or append the file. We'll discuss that. So we'll take get-host, this one commandlet, to find the version we already discussed. Then instead of out-file, just use this, just greater than simple. Then give the path ctemp host dot text. So we'll see the get-child item. Since we are trying from the same path, we just can give get-child item, or if we are giving trying in a different path, we can just give the path. See, it is listed here. See what is the name, host-text, right? See, it is created. We'll see the content. Okay. So we'll use two greater than. That is for append or create a new file. Let's clear the screen. So we have created host.text now, right? So we'll just try this get hyphen hotfix. We don't want to use pipe. Okay. If we can avoid pipe symbol in the commandlet or the script, we can make it minimum. Okay, it is easy. If we are making so many pipe and different making different part, the utilization, memory utilization, and the time taken and all will be high. So we can make it simple as possible. Okay, so we'll give two greater than, then host.text. Now we'll see get hyphen content. Say it is appended. This is the one which we run initially and got the result. This is the one which we run now. Okay. So again, get hyphen will take local group, then we'll create one more file. We'll take host1 dot text. See, there is no file called host1, so nothing to append. It will create a new file. We'll see that. Get hyphen content. So we are not sure, right, if in the path whether that file is exist or not. In that case, we can always use this double greater than. If it is there, it will append. If it is not there, it will create new. See, it is created new. Now we have file streams. file streams. Okay. So we'll discuss that. File streams, if you just take the help of redirection operators, you can see the file streams. So one greater than, it will store the success output. So success output. 2, if we use greater than, it will store error output. Then we have 3. This is to store the warning. Then we have 4, verbose. Verbose is nothing but error. You hope you know the error and warning, right? So if we are giving any wrong commandlet or if anything wrong keyword in the commandlet, we'll be getting the error, right? Then same way in the some commandlets we are running, it will show the warning. So what is verbose? The verbose message stream is used to deliver more in-depth information about command processing. It will show the information about the command processing. Okay. So what else we have? The 5 is information. Then we have star greater than. It will show us all the above. Okay. Star and greater than. We'll see some example. Get iPhone hotfix. One greater than a dot text. So it is created file called text. So the successful output store in a dot text. So it is same. We have tried, right? A dot text. It is same as a dot text. The one greater than a dot text and the just a greater than a dot text, both are same. So if we are running like this, just a greater than, one is default. Okay. Since we are discussing all the number, I have just given one and tried. But if you are not giving anything here, it's a default one. So get a hyphen content a dot text. See this output, same output. All this commandlet is success, right? So it is stored in a dot text. So what we'll do, we'll try get hyphen hotfix. We'll give some hotfix ID. We'll give something wrong. Randomly we'll type something. Then we'll use this b dot text greater than symbol b dot text. See, it is not storing because only successful output store. If we are giving a dot text or one greater than a dot text. Now you got it right. So we want to store this error. So what we'll do that? We'll use 2. Okay. Get hyphen process. We'll give in name. We'll give any random name which is not running process. Wrong name. Okay. Then we'll give 2 greater than C dot text. See, here it is not stored, right? But here it is stored. When we have given 2, it is stored. We'll just see the content. Get hyphen content. See the error message. Whatever is here, same error message. Here we can use double greater than symbol also, just to append. Okay, greater than or double greater than we can use here. Now same way warning verbose you can try. And oh yeah, now we'll try star a greater than symbol. You can make it double greater than symbol as well if needed. Okay, so we'll give one name d dot text. Okay, so all the things will be covered here. The error, warning, verbose. Okay, and the successful output as well. All the conditions what we already discussed. So let's clear the screen. So one more redirection what we have, that is dollar null. This is one null variable. Okay, so if we are giving this after any commandlet, it will store to null. The commandlet store to null, and it won't show any status in the screen. I'll just show you this. If I type get hyphen service name will take win arrow. So it is showing the output here, right? So we'll try using. We don't want to display anything in the screen for some reason, security reason or some reason. So we can just give the redirection operator. Okay, then we'll give null. So it is stored in the null. So how we find out whether it is worked or not? What is the last output? How we can see that? So we can use one more variable dollar question mark. So it will show us the status of last running commandlet. See, it is showing true. Okay, this is worked. So when we give dollar question mark, it will show us true. This dollar question mark, we'll see more on it when we discuss about the conditions, if conditions and all. Okay. So we have for dollar null, same we have just out hyphen null. After pipe, we can use out hyphen null. See the same thing, out hyphen null. Both are doing the same thing. So here also we can see dollar question mark. So that's all in this session. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you.